Welcome to Exam Sale. In this script we will walk through the official syllabus for the professional VMware vRealize Automation 8.3 exam and explain what you need to learn to succeed. This exam is divided into 7 sections with weighted domains. Section 7 Administrative and Operational Tasks is 32%. Section 4 Installing, Configuring, and Setup is 26%. Section 1 IT Architectures, Technologies, and Concepts is 14%. Section 6 Troubleshooting and Repairing is 14%. Section 2 VMware Products and Solutions is 8%. And Section 5 Performance Tuning, Optimization, and Upgrades is 6%. Section 7 Administrative and Operational Tasks carries 32% of the exam and is rated hard with an estimated learning time of 24 hours and scenario-based assessments. This domain focuses on Day 2 operations, cloud template design, and lifecycle governance. You will learn to design and iterate cloud templates using infrastructure as code, manage cloud-agnostic and cloud-specific resource types, and implement user inputs and custom properties in YAML. The domain also covers extensibility with action-based extensibility and VRO workflows, event broker triggers, and governance tasks like projects, quotas, tagging, IAM roles, approval policies, leases, and machine reclamation. Section 4 Installing, Configuring, and Setup is 26% of the exam, rated medium with about 18 hours of study and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. This domain covers deployment methodologies and initial platform configuration. You will practice deploying vRealize Automation with the Easy Installer, configuring vRealize Suite Lifecycle Manager, integrating Workspace ONE Access, and setting initial appliance settings and certificates. The section also teaches infrastructure configuration such as cloud accounts for vSphere, AWS, and Azure, cloud zones, image and flavor mappings, network and storage profiles, and Kubernetes cluster integration. Section 1 IT Architectures, Technologies, and Concepts is 14%, medium difficulty, and requires about 10 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based questions. This domain explains the underlying containerized microservices architecture and core service components. Expect to learn the roles of Cloud Assembly, Service Broker, and Code Stream, how vRealize Automation fits with VMware Cloud Foundation, and the function of core appliance services like PostgreSQL and RabbitMQ. You will also review how the vRealize Automation appliance cluster operates and communicates within the environment. Section 6 Troubleshooting and Repairing is 14%, rated hard, with approximately 12 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. This domain focuses on log analysis and command line resolution for appliance and deployment issues. You will gain hands-on skill with Brackley and Kubectl for health checks, collecting and analyzing log bundles, and troubleshooting Cloud Assembly deployment failures. The domain also covers resolving Workspace ONE Access integrations, certificate and DNS problems, monitoring pod status, and restarting failing services. Section 2 VMware Products and Solutions is 8% of the exam, easy difficulty, with around 6 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This domain emphasizes interoperability with the SDDC stack and external management tools. You will learn to integrate vRealize Automation with NSXT and NSXV, configure vRealize operations for workload optimization, and use vRealize Log Insight for centralized logging. The syllabus also includes salt stack config usage and configuring external version control system integrations. Section 5 Performance Tuning, Optimization, and Upgrades is 6% of the exam, medium difficulty, and requires about 5 hours of study with hands-on and conceptual assessment. This domain addresses platform maintenance and scalability management. You will practice performing upgrades using vRealize Suite Lifecycle Manager, scaling out a vRealize Automation cluster, and optimizing resource utilization through performance metrics. The section also covers managing appliance snapshots and backups and executing health checks and validation tests in VRSLCM. To conclude, focus your study time proportionally to the domain weights and spend extra hands-on time on the highest weight areas like Section 7 and Section 4. Use the official VMware documentation for each topic and combine lab practice with scenario-based exercises to prepare for the exam.